Welcome to this special meeting. So today we have a company called 日月光. 日月光 is like a sun, moon, and the light, but their English name is ASE. So they are a semiconductor manufacturer, a very famous one in Taiwan. But of course not as big as TSMC, but they are also a very big company, especially in semiconductor packaging. So they will be introducing their company, and they are looking for uh, internship and future employees, especially for non-Taiwanese. So they are willing to organize some special program, and if you join this program later on, the program provides you some scholarship every month. And when you graduate, you can go to their company to work. So this meeting is about having an opportunity to intern and work in ASE semiconductor manufacturer. Okay, so that's my quick introduction for the purpose of the meeting, and I will give the time to Richmond.
Thank you for the dean. Thank you for your introduction. Good afternoon, all the students. Thank you for your time. I know this is lunch time, and I just fast move. I want to bother much your times, and I would like to congratulate you because right now you're winter break, right? So enjoy your holiday with your family, and wish you happy Chinese New Year. Okay. So now I'm going to sharing you about my slides, and I'm talking about my company first. So just initially, I would like to introduce the ASE company first, and then we're talking about our intense program. Okay, all the students, you don't need to worry about your major and your current status because this intense program, it won't bother anything on your curriculum, your major, and your school. Okay, so first of all, I would like our company we call is ASE, okay, the Advanced Semiconductor Engineering, okay, we call the 日月光, the Chinese name we call 日月光. You might heard us before because just like the dean professor talked about the TSMC, we are one of the largest customer of the TSMC. Okay, later I'm going to introduce to you. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to talk about the few section. Okay, the first one we talk about our milestone. Next year we're going to celebrate the 42. This year we're going to celebrate the 42 anniversary. Okay, you can see the first decade we focus on expansion. So Taiwan stock and the New York Stock Exchange and listed. So this is we try to build our branding in the world. Okay. Second, we focus on the technology. So you can see the 2003, we already number one in outsourcing, assembly, and test in the world. Why we are the number one in 2003? Because at that moment, one of two cell phones in the world are manufacturing, assembly, and test from ASE Group. Okay. We also implementing a couple wire ramps in this technology. And the third decade, we focus on sustainability. So you can see from climate SCM, you can see the Dow Jones Sustainability Index. This is all our achievement in our third decade. Okay, so you don't need to worry about this company, and we're going to offer you a lot of positions which you can join semiconductor industry. Okay. So let's talk about the semiconductor business distribution. Okay, so original is the IDM style. So this is quite familiar. Intel, Samsung, Micron, Texas Instruments. This is all the giant company in the world of semiconductor industry. But the difference between the Western system and the Eastern system is the IDM. They all do the procedure by their own self. So from IC design, fab manufacturing, assembly, and test, all from their company, all from one individual company. Okay, so this kind of model, they have to take care all the details, of the business, and they have to counter with their customer by their own self. But we have to give the big applause and salute to the Eastern people because they divided this distribution into three segmentations: IC design, fab manufacturing, assembly, test. Okay, first IC design. So you can see the NVIDIA, right? Taiwan MediaTek, US Qualcomm. This is all famous on IC design. Okay. Second part, TSMC, UMC, Global Foundries. They are focused on fab manufacturing. And the third part, you can see ASE Group, Spill, Amco. They are focused on assembly and test. You can see the number one ASE Group and second Spill. Actually, this is one company. Spill is our son company. Okay, ASE Group plus Spill equal 43 global revenue in the world in 2024. 43% revenue. Okay, so now I behalf the ASE Group Kaohsiung to welcome all of our foreign students join our company. This is ASE Kaohsiung campus. There are over 27 buildings, office, and factory right now in Kaohsiung. So when you join our program, this intense program, we're going to contact NTUSD and we're going to invite you to visit our ASE Kaohsiung. Okay, so this is based in Kaohsiung City. Okay, for our commitment to people-oriented, so you can see employee safety. We are the first semiconductor company. We issue the white paper of employee safety to all employees. About the talent diversity, there are almost 6,000 foreign employees right now in ASE Group. And we offer the child care because after 5 years, Taiwan government, they're going to issue you the permanent visa for all of you. So you can live here for good and enjoy even the child education. Okay, so this is what we care about: your children, also our future family members. So that's why we built our child care for all the employees. This kindergarten quite interesting because we invest 400 million NTD for this one. It will be the one of luxury, one of noble kindergarten in whole Taiwan market. And you can imagine we only offer this benefit to our employee because we charge the tuition fee only 2,500 NTD per month. So this is one of benefit to all the employee. Dear students, please don't mind. No matter you are foreigner, you are Taiwanese employee. Once if you join the ASE employee, if you are one of our members, you all can enjoy all the facilities, all the benefits. Okay. For our persistence in sustainability, there are over 27 different committees in our ASE Kaohsiung. We also qualify the business continuity ISO 22301. And as I mentioned before, from 2016 to 2023, we are the highest point company in Dow Jones Sustainability Index. And we also earned one achievement because we are the number one 8 years in a row in Taiwan market. For employee care, about the food, medicine, we're going to have one medical building in 2026. For housing, you don't need to worry about in Kaohsiung Nan's because there are a lot of semiconductor company there, and it already have we call the Southern Taiwan Silicon Valley. Just like the Hsinchu and transportation, our two region, they are all very close to the MRT stations. You can see we have our Starbucks, gyms. The below is our clinic buildings. We offer you the physical exam every year for your personal using. For the training program, we're going to offer the NTUST student RD position and process engineer position. Okay. Not only NTUST offer you training you the professional program, and when you join ASE Kaohsiung, we offer you our ASE University online. So once you join us, you're going to free join the training program. Okay. And of course, for the free Mandarin courses, so once you join ASE Intense program, company, we request you have to learn Mandarin. Learning Mandarin not because you're going to stay in Taiwan, working in Taiwan, but you can adjust this whole environment and these lovely countries. So this is why we request you to learn Mandarin, because it's going to help your personal achievement, personal performance to contact with your supervisor. Okay. The last is our ASE degree training and evaluation method. What's this? You can see this is from grade 6, 6.3, grade 7, grade 8, and above. This is our promotion route. No matter you are Taiwanese or foreigner, we all share the same policy. So we have one slogan in ASE Kaohsiung. That's we share the one policy. When you see our announcement, billboard in ASE, you're going to see the dual language. You want a lot of company, they might be implementing one policy for local citizen and one policy for foreign citizen. Okay, but in ASE we only one policy. Okay, so once you join ASE, you have our ASE badge. You enjoy, you share all the benefit with Taiwan employee. We have a different club and activities. When you off, you can join them for free. This is the special club we built for our foreign white collar. We call Bayanihan Club. Bayanihan is Filipino terms. The meaning is people loving, people together, people help, people together. We are the family and we share everything together. So you can see we have a different tournament of volleyball, bowling, year-end party, and a family day. So it's going to help our white-collar foreigners. You can more familiar with the colleagues and with these lovely countries. So about the workforce diversity, from Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Hong Kong, US, there are over 15 countries nationality. Right now they work as a white collar in ASE Kaohsiung. And if you are from religion Muslim, we also offer the prayer room in different region. So every lunch times you can spend your prayer times with our other colleagues. Okay, so now this is our intense program. So students, if you don't mind, you can screenshot this one. We're going to offer you the RD and process engineer. Okay, so what's the major request? Okay, if you are from electronic, electrical, mechanical, automation engineering, and engineering field, etc., you all welcome. Okay, you all welcome. So what's the JD? The JD is assist the implementation of a process planning, new products, introduction, and process improvement. Okay, and the most important part is we are one of the dragon giant assembly and packaging company in the world. So you're going to behalf our company to deal with the global customer. For example, like Qualcomm, Nvidia, Apple, etc. There are over 65 global companies in the world. They are our main customers group. Okay, so dear students, the first year you're going to study in Taiwan. Okay, with your A1 Mandarin level. So once you join this program, Mandarin going to become your another mission while you study. Okay, so the first year ASE Kaohsiung, we're going to offer you 10K, 10,000 NTD every month for your allowance. Okay, the second year we're going to invite you to become our intern engineer. But later, we're going to discuss with the Professor Lin, our dean, talking about it's necessary we invite you to become our intern engineer or not, or maybe we can change the content. But later, we're going to issue you the latest strategy and the policy for you all. Okay. The
So
third
for
year,
that, I think for
yes,
that, I think if they are in the third year, junior year,
yeah,
they can be your year one.
okay,
And
yeah,
then
yes, yes,
in their senior year, the last year, they can be your year two. So in
yeah,
the
yeah,
last year, they can take intern anywhere in Taiwan
yes, yes, sir,
with 9 credits. So they can travel to any company, do a full-time internship with
yes,
salary, and they at the end they will get 9 credit for the intern. So I think this time schedule is really good for uh, the junior student, and maybe if there is already a senior student,
yes,
then they don't follow this time schedule. They just graduate and then try to become employee.
yes, yes.
Okay,
Thank
so
you,
please
thank you,
continue.
Dean. So the third year and the fourth year, if you are the junior student, okay, the third year, fourth year, we're going to offer you the official engineer in ASE Kaohsiung. Let me talk about a junior student first, okay? Junior student, you're going to join our interview on 2026 May, maybe April to June, okay? We offer you the interview. So once you qualify our intense program, you don't need to take any interview in the future because you already qualified the interview. So when you finish the degree, you get the certificate, you going to have the job directly. Okay, so junior students, you only need to attend one interview, only one interview. When you finish degree, no more interview anymore. This is the amazing part of intense program. Okay, for the senior students, you can join our intern engineer program, and I'm going to offer you the interview. Same, if you qualify the interview, you don't need to get any second, third interview in the future, because the program interview, we only take the initial first one. Okay, only one interview. For the fourth year students, you're going to graduate, I can offer you the interview immediately before your graduation. Okay, me and my team, we are in charge the all white collar recruiting and the talent acquisition in East Asia countries. So my team going to offer you the interview or the process in the future. Okay, so let me back to the one slides, and I would like to offer you the more confidence. Okay. Hey, sorry. About our because some student you might be interested. If you are from Indonesia, Vietnam students, okay, I would like to congratulate you, because there are over 220 white collar in ASE Kaohsiung from Indonesia and Vietnam. They are all white collar. They are all white collar. Their background, just like you, all engineering background, and they're willing to stay in Taiwan, work in Taiwan, nurturing their kids in Taiwan, offer the child education in Taiwan. So here you see the 5,550 foreign employees, right? I would like to share to you with proud, because they are 25% of them are white collar. So, dear students, a lot of people, they say white company hire the foreign people, foreign employee, because they short of manpower. Dear students, I don't know other company, their strategy or maybe their situation, but I would like to share to you with confidence. There are already 1,300 white collar in ASE Kaohsiung right now. So I would like to welcome all our students. If you are pursuing your dream, you're going to stay in Taiwan. If you're looking for a good qualified position for your background, welcome to join ASE Kaohsiung. And I would like to appreciate our Dean, Professor Lin, and the staff, all the professors. Thank you to offer the ASE Kaohsiung have such wonderful opportunity to meet you all. Okay, so if you have any question, just let me know. Maybe we can spend 2 to 5 minutes to have some QA section. Okay, thank you.
Richmond,
Yes,
I have one question. So
yes.
can you briefly estimate what would be the salary for internship,
Okay,
and what
okay,
would be the average salary for like a first year full-time employee
okay,
in
okay.
in the position you are offering?
Okay, no problem. 这个可以切到那 YouTube 啊。I'm going to explain our salary package. And later I show you one video. Okay, thank you, Dean. Usually I'm going to talk about the salary first. But you know why I skip this one? Because I do hope the student asks the salary. I share one video to you so you can see the salary background first. Okay.
Meanwhile, I have a second question related to salary.
Yeah.
Can you convince our students
Yes.
why should they go to ASE, not TSMC?
Okay, no problem. Dean, I share this one to you, and
Okay.
you know, Professor, the dean. This time the dean, Professor Lin, invite me because, dear students, um, because I always introduce myself. I'm the number two. I'm the number two HR manager in whole Taiwan. Because could you imagine the every year I need to screen and I need to interview over 1,200, 1,400 times every year. Okay, so
Mhm.
I recruit many foreigner. So Dean, actually you asking the right person. Okay, first
Yeah.
let me convincing you why not TSMC, why ASE. Okay, TSMC is our customer. So we have a one saying is a customer is king, right? Customer is God. Okay. So TSMC no uh, uh, I don't have any comments for the company because when they going up, my bonus going up. Okay, so I
Yes.
love TSMC. Thank you, TSMC. But dear students, TSMC having one small problem. They are not so big recruiting foreigner. Why
Ah.
I say that? Why I say that? Because they only recruiting for people who can speak Mandarin, writing Mandarin. As you might be said, they only recruiting the Chinese, Indonesian, Chinese, Malaysian. That's what I talk about the 50-50. Okay, why they do that? Because 98% of TSMC employee students, 98% in Taiwan, they are all Taiwanese. I should say 99% employee. So you might be say TSMC, they are all a high degree, they can speak English. I think the language is not a problem. But when you do the presentation, when you do the some important performance PowerPoint slides sharing, Mandarin is one of the key. Okay, so I really confidence on that is ASE. We are one of your best choice because 25% to 28% employees right now in Kaohsiung, they are foreigner. Okay, so this is
Mm.
the first one. The first question I replied to all the students. TSMC is good, but they request more Mandarin proficiency. So you have to conquer that. Okay. Second, I show you one video. This is what we. This is our very senior engineer. Let me share. Okay. Let me share the screen first. Okay. This is beautiful. Okay, this is our region 2. Okay, thank you. And one more. Because Dean is asking about the salary, right? Okay. Sometimes working is not only salary, but okay, this is very important. This is our family day. They are all foreigners. They are all white collars. Okay. Okay, let me stop this one. And I back to the I back 这样子 okay. Dear students, professor talking about the salary, right? If you comparison the salary package, I should say our salary is very compatible with the Taichung, Taoyuan, even I can challenge the Taipei. But students, the first thing is the living cost. Living in Kaohsiung, for example, if you earn 65,000, okay, I just suppose if you earn 65,000, stay in Taipei, the metropolitan city, and in Kaohsiung is totally different. In Taipei, maybe you only saving 15,000, 25,000, but maybe in Kaohsiung, you can save in 40,000. And we don't talk about the company background, the size, the well-being, the benefit, okay? So this is very important. I should told you, have you heard about the 104 job hunters website, 104? ASE Kaohsiung, our salary is equal to Taichung and Taoyuan. Okay, I should say that, Taichung and Taoyuan. I can give you the one exactly a month right now because you know engineer join semiconductor industry bonus is one of very important factor. Okay, so from 60, if you average 12 months, from 60,000 to 100,000 to 120,000 is all possible. Okay, let me talk about the Goldwyn. You see the Sir Benjamin, his son Goldwyn. Goldwyn is around 1.4, 1.6 million every year. Depends on the bonus. Okay, depends on the bonus. So this is our ranking. Okay, this is our ranking. So especially if you Google ASE group, recently we have very huge collaboration with TSMC and NVIDIA. And you can try to check our company stock. It already 3 times to 5 times growing recently, these 2 years. So this is a very potential company. I should say that. Okay, so Dean, Professor Lin, is okay for my reply? Any questions?
Yeah, I think it's a great. Thank you for the great explanation. So I think now we open the time for students to ask questions.
Yes.
So anyone, if you have questions, feel free to open your mic and talk.
Hi, excuse me. Can I ask a question?
Yes, Ricky. Yes.
Okay, so I have a few questions to ask to you. So, like, how can I approach your company to get the chance for interview?
Very good. So now the Dean, Professor Lin, is very key role in this procedure. we're going to offer the office, the NTUST office. We're going to set the time schedule, okay, and we're going to issue to our IATP office, and we're going to share to you, okay. And dear students, I do hope you can understand this is a very special opportunity. Do you know why? Because in northern Taipei, northern Taiwan, you are the only one university, the only one major we offer you the scholarship intense program. So Ricky, may I ask you which year you are belong to?
So right now I'm in the third year, junior year.
You are third year. Okay, good. So the coming September, you're going to become fourth year, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you are belong to the Professor Dean talk about the senior student. Okay, you might have a chance to join the intense program. Okay, so we're going to have a different segmentation. Okay, for the junior students, you join the intense program. Okay, if you just like the Ricky, you are the senior student. You're going to become the fourth year. We offer you the intern engineer
Internship.
internship. If you are going to graduate this coming June, okay, we offer you the job placement interview. Okay, so we're going to offer you 3 options to all the students. Okay, any question?
I have more questions if it's okay. So
Dear
I have 3
student,
more questions.
you won't regret. Sorry, I bother you, Ricky. You won't regret to join ASE. You know why? Because there are few. I cannot say many. I'm very conservative people. There are few your alumni senior. They already our white collar in ASE Kaohsiung. Students, have you heard about the Micron? Micron is very big company, right? But Micron, they might be hire you intense. Maybe they offer you 20% or maybe 25% more salary. But you know, their order, their revenue is not stable. This is the disadvantage of them. So a lot of people, before they work in good company, they think about that's the good company, big company. But finally, they back to Kaohsiung. Just like I shared to you, the cost living. Students, you're going to earn money. You're going to design your future life. Saving money is very important in your future life, not to earn money. A lot of company, a lot of places you can earn money, 70K, 100K, but your monthly costing spends you 50 to 60. So you are not the winner. The winner is you earn money and you save money. Okay? I hope you understand my idea. Okay, any question? If you cannot turn on your microphone, you can type in to me. I can read your words. Okay, any questions?
Yeah, so I still have some questions that I want to ask.
Good,
Like
Ricky.
for the intense program, what do you expect us as like the students to have? And like I want to know for your company, like how fast can I grow when I like get to the intern or when I join the company, and how the environment can help me to grow.
Good, Ricky. We just talk from the other side. Depends on how fast grow for yourself. I think that depends on your attitude and depends on your learning, right? But you don't need to worry about our internship program because you are from NTUSD, we're going to arrange you to RD or process engineer. Okay, so how fast you can growing instead of that, I would like to say is how fast you can grow in with ASE. Because right now we are rapidly growing in semiconductor industry. If you have time later when we finish, you can go into Google. You can go into search for some our information. about the CoWAS. Right now is very famous with TSMC. The advanced packaging and test technology. This is all our priority skill technology we are implementing right now in ASE Kaohsiung. Okay, so for HR supervisor, I look forward you be a very fast moving learning, and just like a sponge, you can learn and absorb as fast as you can. Because when I assign you to the RD, after you finish your degree, you're going to become the official RD member. Okay, so this internship is very important. We also can explain this. This is a pre-training system. Okay, so even you are process engineer, but dear students, you know process engineer is very important in all industry, because you have to do the analysis, you have to do the very good relationship with the customer, and you have to very familiar with our manufacturing procedures. Okay, so no matter which position we arrange for you, I do hope and I guarantee you, you going to learn as many as other industry. So this is what we can offer to you. Okay, Ricky. Any question? Thank you, Ricky, for your question. Let me check how many people right now. Okay, we have there are 22 students.
Hello, can I ask?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so I'm a fourth year student. I'm on my final years.
Yeah.
And I'm a foreigner. I'm from Indonesia, but I have struggle to access more information about this program. So where can I access more information about this program? Because on the website it's kind of not full content about this program.
Rif, how can I call you? Rif G, right?
Yes,
What's your
you
name?
can call me like that. Yeah.
Okay, Rif. Let me explain to you, because you are fourth year, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Do you have any
uh,
plan? Do you have any plan for master degree?
yes, I have a plan.
You have a plan for master degree.
Yes.
Okay, because this intense program is a undergrad. I mean, this is for the bachelor degree. Okay, if you're going to study the master degree, maybe we have to design another option for you. But for the intense program, this is only for third year to fourth year. Okay.
Okay.
So
I think
brief.
I think I can jump in and maybe suggest
Yeah.
three different options. So like we said earlier, first option for junior year,
Yeah.
they will take scholarship in the fourth year and then do internship, and after graduate they go to they work, they go to your company and start their career.
Yes.
And the other kind is for the senior. So senior, because they are about to graduate, they can, if they want to directly go to work, then
Yes.
interview and join your system. Maybe you have some pre-training and then become employee. The other kind is like Riff. So he is senior year, but he is trying to get a master degree. He's not sure if he can get it or not, but that's one of his choice. So I would think maybe he can still have an interview with ASE. Like you said earlier, if he gets an interview, maybe in the future you don't need to interview anymore. So he can interview right now, and meanwhile maybe he gets a master degree, then he go to study for his master, but he will have something in his pocket. He already got some interview record with ASE. So later on, maybe 2 years later, when he graduate as a master, he can then contact you and say, "Hey, I graduate. Can I come back to work?" How about that? Your mic is off.
Professor, because intense program, they have master program, okay, intense program also. So I will ask the Professor Yang, maybe in the future, the NTUSD, we have a chance to work with the Professor Lin. Okay, that's a talk about in the future.
Okay,
Yeah.
I see.
Okay, we have one question. Hello, I'm in my senior. May I ask if it's okay with zero experience and knowledge? PS, may I ask you what's your major? PS.
They're all engineering. They're all
all engineering. Okay.
Yeah.
Dear students, very good question. Perfect question. We don't, as our presentation, you're going to understand. I'm not very focused on your experience. Do you have any fear about that? Because you don't, you are with zero experience and the knowledge. This is very correct and very normal for industry because you're still students. So that's why, do you remember ASE? We have one ASE University, right? This is for you. We're going to offer you the experience and the knowledge through ASE University. So PS, never mind, okay? The most important is, first, you from engineering background. Second, please start in learning Mandarin right now, okay? I'm going to challenge all the students. Dear students, I would like to invite you all to ASE Kaohsiung because we are ongoing constructing 4 new factory in Kaohsiung. So they're going to over 32 factory office in Kaohsiung City. Why I say that? Because new factory, new facilitate, we need new supervisor. You are all our candidates of a supervisor. So Dean Professor talk about the salary. I don't want talk about exactly number to you because in my mind, your well degree certificate, you're from good NTUSD background, you are our future supervisor candidate in the future. You are not the normal, you are not the abnormal white collar engineer. I'm looking forward to see you soon to become, you have the experience, you have the knowledge, 1 to 2 years, 1 to 3 years in factory, and you become our team leader. You become our section manager. And one day, just like the Sir Benjamin, dear student, why I play the video for you? Because Sir Benjamin, he was our director of quality assurance. Could you imagine? Director, there are over 70 people under his team, including Taiwanese. If you are talented people in ASE Kaohsiung, we don't care about your passport color. We care about your attitude. Even just like Sir Benjamin, Filipino, pure Filipino, he leads the Taiwanese team in ASE Kaohsiung. This is what we offer you. Diversity, equity, and inclusion to all of you. I would like to explain to the Dean, Professor Lin, why I don't recommend you to TSMC, because I can guarantee you anything. Because in my view, in my history experience, I never see any foreign leaders right now in Taiwan. But in ASE, there are over 150 project engineer, section manager, director right now in ASE Kaohsiung. 150 and ongoing. 22 of you right now in this special room, you're going to become our candidates. And I look forward to see you 2 years later, 3 years later, you become one qualified supervisor in semiconductor industry. Pierce, no worry, your zero experience and knowledge. We're going to cover you, okay? Any question? Okay, students, we still have 2 to 5 minutes, okay? If you are interested in our program, please, you type +1 and you show me you are junior student, senior student, or you're going to graduate. You just let me know your status, okay? So our dean office, they're going to arrange you on March. We're going to set the time schedule. Just let me know if you are interested our program. You can type in +1. Let me know, okay? And
I recommend you to type in +1, comma,
yeah,
3rd year or 4th year,
yeah.
comma, mechanical, material. Just type in your major.
You don't have any change, yeah? You're going to continue your major and ASE offer you the allowance, okay? No any change. Okay, 4 years mechanical. Perfect. Welcome. 3rd year mechanical engineering. Okay, very good.
In our program, we have the most we have is mechanical.
Okay,
we
perfect,
do
perfect.
have civil and chemical and material. So 4 majors.
Yes, yes. Okay, 3rd year. Very good, very good. Welcome. Actually, you are all 3rd year, 4th year. You can go to study, go to Google. If you have a chance to receive over, 好像没听到. Okay, if you have a chance to receive 60 to 70 monthly, you know, actually, you can do, maybe you can ask ChatGPT or Gemini, okay? How much the cost living monthly, annually, between Taipei and Kaohsiung, and you're going to know why we are here, okay? Better than Hsinchu, dear students. You can go anywhere. You can go anywhere, but before Hsinchu, you know, before we stay in Hsinchu, that's very amazing place, you know, everything very luxury price, okay? So you have to consider that. Even you have a 10% more, 20% more salary, but consider of that, okay? Kaohsiung, very beautiful place. You see the Blackpink. Why Blackpink selects the Kaohsiung become their priority in Taiwan? Okay, so welcome all the students. Do we have any 2nd year students? Are you willing to receive our allowance 2nd year? Welcome all of you. Any question? We're going to finish 58 to 1 o'clock, okay? Because I appreciate all the professors' time. Thank you so much for your lunch time. We are very embarrassing to bother your lunch time. So thank you so much. So that's the 3 minutes left, okay? Any question?老师，他们大概什么时候会回到台湾呢？我们是不是线下也来办一场？我们可以那个面对面跟学生见面。
那你可以开学的时候吧，因为
是
可能有些学生不在学校。
是没问题。那我们看
对，
看，开学是2月底嘛，哈，223嘛，哈。
哎，
那主任，你可以帮我，如果方便，我们
可以啊，
那么见面也可以啊。
哎呀，可以啊。
是，对。Okay, thank you. That seems we don't have no more question. So 主任，谢谢。那我们
谢谢。
是
Okay, so our meeting will finish now, and I will share this video to our IITP group. I hope more of you will be interested in this opportunity. I think it's really great. Okay, thank you, Richmond, and thank you, Vo, and all the students.
谢
That's
谢
it
谢谢
for
主任
today's
，Thank
meeting.
you.
Okay. Okay, bye bye.
Bye. See you all. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.